Here's a song that goes out to everybody who was fooled by the processes of war. It's time for peace. Born in a war that he never started, in a far flat miles away from home. He thought he was fighting for queen and country. Reality bites, now he's all alone. How misunderstood. Legal war, that's really not a shame. They sent you fight until you went insane. Your mind's never coming back, such a tragic fact. Just another number on a government chart, but you can never make a brand new start. Such a shame. Such a crying shame. It's such a shame. Crying shame. He was born with beliefs that he was special. He could use his life to make a change. With open eyes and a trusting manner, he took the medicine to ease the pain. How misunderstood. In the legal war, that's really not a shame. They sent you fight until you went insane. Your mind's never coming back, such a tragic fact. Just another number on a government chart, but you could never make a brand new start. Such a shame. Such a crying shame. It's such a shame. Mr. Blair, it's a shame on you. War's not peace, love's not hate, fear's not safe, the same old mistakes. It's time for peace, time for peace, time for peace, for peace, for peace, 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 time for peace. Time for peace, time for peace. Hey, 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 hey. It's time for peace. Let's all find and unlock that precious gift inside of us. Be well and keep shining.